Listen, man. Crazy ass Jamaican in the fucking rain. And this is how we do it. You feeling me? This is how we do it in the country, in the woods. This is how we do it. Crazy ass in the rain because it feels so fucking good in the motherfucking country. And we run, then we slide off. Woo! That's how I'm talking about. This y'all people, y'all need to love nature. I don't give a fuck where I'm at, getting hurt. This is how we do it. Have some motherfucking fun. Ah! Ah! Motherfucker! Oh, my phone is gonna be broke after this. And I'm not on drugs, by the way. I just miss Jamaica. And this just feels good. Fuck this shit.
You stay out there.
Hell no, my phone is being broken as I speak.